It is problem ID Thursday. Now, this is a red cabbage. It's in the Brassica family. And when you see all these holes, you absolutely know you have a cabbage worm, cabbage looper, that white butterfly that flies around your property, lays eggs. They love brassicas, and they hatch. And when you pull back the leaf, you're gonna find right there, let's get it in focus, little green caterpillar. You got another one right there. And you can, go ahead and take those off. Let's see if there's any more around. Usually you find them behind the leaf, along the stem. I don't see any more, but that's what you're looking for. And that's the culprit. You can treat this by using a neem oil spray. Check out my videos on neem oil. You can use BT, both organic. You spray the top, bottom of the leaves like every 7 days. The worms chew it, it kills them off. You could use an insect dust of your choice. You can use Captain Jack's, it has spinosad. That's organic, that works well. You could use the other dusts that are chemical types. There's another one right there. They work on contact very often. You could also do it by hand. What I typically do is I'll do all the harvesting of my leaves, and I'm growing the cabbage in the GreenStalk for the leaves. I just slice them up, put them in salads. I do all the harvesting. I take the leaves that I want from whatever brassicas I'm growing, and then I treat them with the neem oil usually. And if I'm going to use dust, I will dust them. I like to just take everything, have that before I put anything organic or chemical on there. I just don't want to eat that. And it works really well. You want to start spraying though ahead of time. Like, you don't want all this damage, but as soon as you see these issues, you know you have green cabbage worms on your leaves. You want to start spraying about 2 weeks before that white butterfly shows up. And anytime, and in part of this series, I'm just going to be dropping videos on insects and diseases that show up on the garden on Thursday, real quick, real short. What you want to do is write the date down that you found them, and about 2 weeks before that next year, start spraying, start treating, and that will keep the problem from getting out of hand. But if you got this pattern, you've got the green cabbage worm.